What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am down the party aisle and I'm seeing the cutest stuff already. We have really pretty party candles. We have some for girls, some for boys. We have some for all ages, all occasions. We have yay. We have happy birthday to you in gold. We have the balloon arch strips. I really love this brand. I got the little balloon tabs and I just love them so much. We have even more over here. Look, you guys, we have rainbows. These are so cute. All the birthday candles. It also has the little happy birthday. We have these with the dots. We have the black and white ones. Silver. We have glitter. We have gold foil. We have the tall party candles. Those are so cute. Even taller ones here. And then, of course, tons of balloons down here. The 2 packs of streamers. And then we have the single streamers. Now this is 150 feet. And these are how much? Does it say? I don't think it says. Oh, 70 feet each. So 140 feet versus 150 feet. That's just wound a little tighter. And then we have this new brand. It just says streamers. What is it? Flame resistant, bleed resistant. Oh wow, and these are 81 feet each, so 162 feet for $1 versus 140 versus 150. White, pink, blue, green, red, teal, black, and white. Birthday crowns, birthday little tiaras. I like those. We have the Celebrate It brand. I think that's Michael's. Celebrate It. There's just so many hanging decorations. I really like these hanging poofs. They're really cute. And behind me, we have tons and tons of banners. White beaded necklaces. These are definitely new. More birthday necklaces. The plastic balloon pumps for $1. Black and white happy birthday banners. The paper masks are so cute. We have little hair clip party favors, little rings. Those are so cute. What does this say? Good times and tan lines. That's pretty cute. 24 napkins in a pack. We actually have a bunch of new napkins over here, you guys. We have Calm Down and Have a Cocktail. Happy birthday. Cheers. Happy birthday. Again, lots of polka dots. I haven't seen these yet. These are cute. Blue polka dots. Red and white polka dots. Cute plates. We get 8 in a pack. Someone lost their list. Carletta, you lost your list here in Dollar Tree. Paper cups, napkins, cards, balloons, prize, gift for kids. Carletta Weir, your list is here on the polka dotted napkins down the party aisle. Sweet Baby, unicorns, mermaids. Ooh, look at this one. Fruity themed. a little chandelier. Look, you guys, this is my first time ever seeing these. The little chandeliers. We have gold and pink. We have black, or maybe they're like little, am I saying it right, you guys? I want to say it's a chandelier or like a candelabra. I really like these, you guys. They seal nice. They're sturdy. You can use them for stocking stuffers, gifts, traveling, whatever you want. They're just so cute. These are little Mardi Gras shot glasses. We have gift sacks. These are pretty. Ooh, look at the gators and the turtles and the frogs. I just love the party aisle. It's so much fun. All the stuff for baby showers, the ribbons, the plates, the baby shower garlands. These are new. The favor boxes. Aww. So cute. Wow. Dollar Tree has really come up with a lot of new baby shower items. Let's see if we have anything new over here on the toy aisle. We have Arcade Forest. Here's what they look like. Includes 2 toys and 1 collector guide. They're so cute. It's kind of empty on my toy aisle. Fuzzy Friends, the chickens are here. Those came out last week. And then of course we have lots of DIY stuff over here. Kids craft kits.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, let's see if we have anything new down this aisle. We'll just finish up right here. Dolls. Doesn't really look like we have anything new this week. I've been a little disappointed with the kids' aisles lately. That's how it is though. You'll start giving up on a particular section and then you'll get to the point to where you stop checking. And that's when, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And that's when they'll drop something new and you'll miss it because you would have written it off like, oh, they don't ever have anything over here. So try to not be like that. Try to just check, even if it's just a quick look. But yeah, it's been pretty dead lately. But hey, you guys, I'm gonna head on over to some other aisles. So definitely join me in my very next video. Ooh, I love this purple. So cute. Yeah, you guys, join me in my next video and we're gonna look at more new stuff. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.